What if I told you that just one simple mixture per day could strengthen your bones, relieve joint pain, and help prevent osteoporosis without expensive supplements or medications? Stay with me because what I'm about to share could change everything about your bone health. You know that nagging pain in your knees when you climb stairs? That stiffness in your hands in the morning? That worry in the back of your mind about osteoporosis as you get older? You're not alone. Millions of people suffer from weak bones and painful joints, and it only gets worse with age. The scary part is that bone loss happens silently. By the time you feel it, significant damage has already occurred. Your bones become porous, fragile, prone to fractures. Your joints lose their cushioning, grinding together, inflaming, causing chronic pain that affects every aspect of your life. But here's the good news. There's a natural, affordable solution that targets bone strength and joint health at the same time. And it starts with ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now. Before we make this powerful bone-strengthening mixture, let me show you exactly what goes into it and why each ingredient is so crucial for your bones and joints. First, we have flax seeds. Now, flax seeds are incredible because they're rich in omega-3 precursors, which reduce inflammation throughout your body, especially in your joints. But here's what most people don't know. Studies have proven that flax seeds don't just reduce bone porosity. They actually help remineralize your bones with calcium. They increase bone density, making your bones heavier, stronger, and much more resistant to fractures and breaks. Next, sesame seeds. Most people have no idea that sesame seeds contain proportionally more calcium than milk itself. Plus, they're loaded with zinc. And research shows that the more zinc you have in your body, the better your bone density and bone metabolism. Zinc also boosts your body's natural collagen production, and collagen is what keeps your joints flexible, hydrated, and gliding smoothly without that painful friction. Then we have unflavored gelatin powder, the plain white kind with no sugar, no additives. You can find this at any supermarket or health food store. By the way, a list of this and other products we recommend that are high quality can be found in the description below. We've done the research so you don't have to waste time or money on inferior options. Gelatin is pure cooked collagen. It's an incredibly enriching addition to this mixture because it directly supports your joint cartilage, keeping everything lubricated and pain-free. Now, pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are rich in magnesium and calcium. Most people think only about calcium when it comes to bones. And yes, calcium is the most important mineral. But magnesium is just as crucial for bone metabolism. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc, which, as we mentioned, helps with collagen production and overall joint health. Finally, dates. Dates not only sweeten our mixture naturally, but they're also packed with calcium and boron. Boron is essential because it's directly related to vitamin D metabolism, and vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption and fixation in your bones. It's not enough to just consume calcium. You need it to actually bind to your bones, and that's where boron and vitamin D come in. So how do we put this all together? It's incredibly simple. Take your flax seeds and add them to a container. We're keeping them whole, not grinding them, because once you break the flax seed shell, you expose those healthy omega-3 fats to oxygen, and they start to oxidize. We want to preserve that potency. Add your sesame seeds to the same container. You can use toasted or raw, white or black, whatever you prefer. Now add your unflavored gelatin powder and mix these 3 ingredients together. Set that aside for a moment. Now take your pumpkin seeds and your dates and put them in a food processor. We're going to pulse these together until they form almost a crumbly mixture, like a textured meal. You don't need to turn it into a smooth paste. Just pulse it enough so the pumpkin seeds are broken down and the dates create a slightly sticky texture that holds everything together. This only takes about 30 seconds. Once that's done, add this pumpkin seed and date mixture to your container with the flax seeds, sesame seeds, and gelatin. Mix everything thoroughly until it looks almost like a healthy granola. Store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Keeping it cold preserves the nutrients and keeps everything fresh. Now, how do you use this? You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your yogurt, sprinkle it over your smoothie, mix it into your green juice, or even add it to your salad if you like that sweet and savory combination. Some people even sprinkle it over rice or beans. The beauty of this mixture is that it not only strengthens your bones and joints, it also provides satiety and helps lower the glycemic index of your meals, which helps control hunger and blood sugar. This is especially beneficial for women going through perimenopause or menopause who struggle with belly fat and insulin resistance. Just 1 serving per day. That's all it takes. Consistent daily use of these powerful bone and joint supporting ingredients, and you'll start noticing the difference. Less pain, more flexibility, stronger bones, better overall health. If this video helped you, if you want more content about bone health and osteoporosis prevention, hit that like button. It really helps me know what you want to see more of. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're going to use this mixture. In your yogurt? Your smoothie? I'd love to hear from you. And if you know someone who needs this information, someone struggling with joint pain or worried about osteoporosis, share this video with them. Let's spread health together. Now go make this delicious mixture and start taking care of your bones today. See you in the next one.